woodpecker, but I'll find out what species this is and get back to you. I'm looking at the screen right now. I'm not looking at the bird, so I'll have to go back and look later. So what they do is, all woodpeckers do this. They will cache nuts and certain bugs and certain seeds, and they'll shove it in the gaps in that bark, and then they'll remember where it is in the lean times, and they'll come back and get it and eat it. How they remember this, I don't think anyone knows. All I know is that they do remember it, and they remember it pretty accurately.